One way you can support diocesan missions is to sponsor or attend the Prayer and Perfect Pairing event in October. On the menu, perfect pairings prepared by priests. Here's a sneak peek.
I'm in the kitchen today with Monsignor Riffle, and he's cooking up one of his favorite pasta recipes.
It's a very simple pasta. It's the Arrabiatta sauce, which actually in Italian means angry. And we'll get to why it's angry in just a minute.
Okay, so tell us what's in this.
Half a cup of olive oil, 8 cloves of sliced garlic, and the ring of fire peppers, 3 28-ounce cans of San Marzano whole tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a 1/4 cup of parsley, and of course, salt and pepper. We're going to heat the olive oil, and we're going to add 2 of the ring of fire peppers, because that's really all you need, and garlic. Cut the garlic lengthwise, about the thickness of 2 quarters.
Okay.
We're going to first put the oil in, and as I said, this is already infused. We're going to kick it up a notch. Get the fire extinguisher, here we go. Don't worry about the seeds.
The
Okay.
seeds make it hotter, correct?
They do.
So if you want to tone the heat down a little bit, you could just use regular oil and then just add the peppers and the garlic.
You could.
Okay.
These are noted for their heat, so that's why I chose them. And besides, it's the peppers the bishop grows, and they were free. But the whole point of the name of the sauce is angry, so it would not really be a Arrabiatta sauce if you use like mild peppers. What we're going to do with 2/3 of one of the cans is actually to chop it up, which when we put it in the sauce will give the sauce texture.
Okay.
The rest of the cans we're going to puree. So now comes the moment of the blending of all of the flavors. So we're going to take the sauce off of the stove where it has been simmering between low to medium heat for 45 minutes to an hour. And right before you serve it, you're going to take a 1/4 cup of parsley and you're going to add it to the sauce. Now, what you can do is after you get it to your plate, you can put cheese on it. This dish is going to be served at the Prayer and Perfect Pairing event.
Registration for the Prayer and Perfect Pairing event can be found at dioceseofgreensburg.org/missions.
Now let's taste it.
There's definitely a lot of heat to that. This is delicious. Thanks for inviting us in your kitchen today.
And thanks for coming.
Thank you.